All right, so let's go ahead and get Screencastify. I need to be in Chrome. So Chrome is my internet browser, and I'm just going to go to the Chrome web store. And from there, I'm going to search for Screencastify. And then here is Screencastify. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. I'm going to add the extension. And now you can see it is up here in my Chrome browser. And now I need to set it up. So I'm going to sign in with Google. All right, I'm going to give permissions to the camera and my drawing tools. I'm going to hit allow and allow. I am an educator and I teach grade school children.